In this video, I want to show you how to set a programming code on this Kwikset SmartCode lock. As you know, to program this lock, you need to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. But with the programming code enabled, you don't need to go to the interior assembly. You can program the lock completely from the outside by entering the programming code. So I want to show you how to set a programming code on this lock so you can program your lock from the outside without going to the interior assembly. So to do this, the first step is to go to the interior assembly. Okay, and I want to remove the battery cover. Next, you want to press the program button. This is the program button right here. Press it once. And now you want to press 3, hit this button. Now enter your programming code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit this button, enter the code again. Hit this button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the programming code is now active, and that's what you're going to use to program the lock. So now to program your lock, you don't need to go to the interior assembly and press the program button. All you want to do is to enter your programming code and hit this button to put the lock in programming mode. Okay, so let's test it. For example, if you want to add the user code, what you want to do first is to enter your programming code. Hit this button. Now you want to press 1. Hit this button. So enter your user code, 4 to 8 digits. Hit this button. So you're going to hear a long beep and see a green flash here, meaning the code has been added. So you can use this code to unlock your door from the outside. Make sure you know the difference between these two codes. A programming code allows you to put your lock in programming mode to make changes, and a user code can be used to unlock the door from the outside. So let's test the user code. Okay, so the code is active. So that's how it works. And in case you lost your programming code, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and reset the lock. And when you get here, you need to remove the battery cover. And then the next thing you want to do is to press and hold the program button here for 30 seconds. And after 30 seconds, you're going to hear a long beep. Now release it and press it once more. Okay, so that's how to reset the lock if you've lost your programming code, so you can reprogram the lock. Okay, so I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.